Good morning. Good morning. I hear the birds. We are outside. We outside today. If it's cool with you, let's go if it is. We have made it to the garden factory. This is what it looks like. Huge, right? You can get like soil and all kind of stuff over there. But yeah, let's go inside and see what they have. Look how cute the blue and white is. So they have all kind of pots and different things. Zebra plant. Croton. I love these right here. Look at these leaves on that one. want to get this just to get it. Look at it. This is what I have so far. But I think I want him to.
Wow. Oh, these are indoor. Oh, wow, these are indoor. Mom wants to
So cute, right?
for her.
Look at all these. Oh my god, I just love everything. I wonder if I should get a little succulent to put in here. But I have something at home I could put in there. I think we're gonna go, you guys. Like, I think that's this. We're gonna go recap in the car, and I'm probably just gonna pray now. Thank you for hanging out. Let's check back in a minute. I think I found a prayer plant that I want. Look at up there. They're way up there, so how do you get it? Oh my god. Let's try to get it. You guys have been hanging out with me all day. We are home now. I couldn't end it really at the place because it got so crowded, but let me show you the plants. We have this beautiful prayer plant, which was $14.99. Monstera, she was $19.99. And then we have this here. We're not even gonna try to pronounce that, but you probably can see it. I just like the colors. And then we got, oh, let me sit down. Okay, let's sit down. We're on the porch. I did show you these while I was there. Put one of them back because I was like, I'm not spending this much. Like, it was pretty, but whatever. The little bulldog. Is it a bulldog or a Frenchie? I think it's just a bulldog. I had to get the bulldog. I don't even know which plant. Probably the little one right there is gonna go in here. And then, of course, I got the face one. Just thought this was so like urban modern home. I love that one. Yeah, so just gonna enjoy some of this sun for a little bit, even though I'm in the shade right now. And I'm gonna go in and unpack my plants. All right, you guys, so stay safe, stay well. Let me know if you enjoy these videos and if you want me to go back, because maybe we will go to the outdoor part of it. We only did indoor right now. We only did the indoor plants and pots, but they have a whole outdoor area too. So let me know if you want me to go back. Take care. Bye.